Okay, so this morning, ripped all of the old bench work out, removed the tracks. I found that I didn't have the pegs in far enough and they were popping out of the ground. That's the old station, you might remember. This is where it used to be. So I'm actually going to take the opportunity to move it up through here. So I've got to move all these plants. And then this is this bit down here. As you can see, it's 90 by 45 cypress. So that's not going to rot anytime soon. And the track to be straightened through there, obviously. So, still going, plenty more to do, as I don't think a train's going to run on that somehow.